this could be a question for both me painting and a kit. Do we need to have black lights installed to see the mural, or is it glow-in-the-dark paint? Okay, black lights are good to charge the paint. The paint that I use soaks up the UV light. A lot of lights say they're UV, but they're not very good sources. So a good black light, tube light, those are older, those work well. There are a couple sources of LED light strips that are, black light strips. Those work well. So having said that, does it glow or is it fluorescent? The paint that I mix myself is both. I have some of the best pigments. In fact, a lot of the good paints out there have the same pigment. So I have the best pigments that you can get. And I also have a UV additive in the paint. So when the black lights are on, it's gonna fluoresce. It's gonna be bright. When you turn the light off, if the room's dark, it's gonna then glow. So the paint you get with my kit or when I paint will do both. Under the black light, it will fluoresce on its own. It will glow in the dark after it receives a good charge from the UV light. And that's it.